Hello everyone and welcome to MoonVault. It's my pleasure to be here with you all. I've noticed a significant number of discussion on X considering a potential bear market and the idea that the cycle might be over. Let's examine whether we are truly entering a bear market or not. Is it over for bulls? What do you think? So let's jump into the chart. We currently have an untapped monthly fair value gap around 96 and 97.4 or 5, which is represent a crucial zone for Bitcoin to maintain. Since the bull market, we had few of them and potentially consolidates there for some times, as you can see here and here, also here in the past. Should we experience a future dip? I believe that with the higher time frame, this would be a trap. We could see some downward wicks similar to the past and stay there for a while. Let's go to the weekly chart now. On the weekly chart, we also observe two fair value gap. Let me draw it for you guys. First one is here on 98. Second one is like here around 92k. Where we can anticipate some reaction from the bulls, as I mentioned. This is a higher time frame, so we might experience a day or two downward movement in these zones forming a week before recovery. Therefore, it's important to remember that these zones could serve as a reversal points for the crypto market. Naturally, the first one is here, 98k, the initial and favorable zone to monitor. We should observe if this sweep this level here below this liquidity and this fair value gap and reclaim it on a lower time frame, like if we sweep it and fast reaction from the bulls. Another zone which I believe is premature to discuss is around 92k, where we might approach and see a rebound after. Both these zones are highly significant for crypto this year. Let's go to the daily chart now. On a daily chart, we are operating with a large trading range. Liquidity here above the range, taken around 125k. Now 98, 97k can represent a liquidity below our current range, something like this. The most favorable scenario we can observe and act on an early week dump followed by reclaim here like this, leading to the bullish stance for the remainder of the week and continuation of the momentum. This is also depend the performance on a stock and the gold, of course. However, last week we observed that altcoins are eager to the move for upside. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance. Just to show you, Bitcoin dominance also exhibit bearish momentum, which is favorable for our altcoin holding. Bitcoin dominance has also the same range, so it's making it sensible to engage with the altcoins. Of course, we need to trade intelligently and identify a stronger altcoin. The only altcoin I can discuss right now is Zcash, moving independently. We share this trade. This is what I draw on a chart and posted on our X. Just like this, I expected some sell-off to the daily fair value gap and huge move to the upside, which is resulting as almost 100 move. This move in like 3 hours, 4 hours, I believe. We exactly shared this trade in our X. It's currently holding about this daily fair value gap, but a close below this 500, 1490 maybe would likely shift the structure to the bearish side, potentially leading to continued sell-off patterns, just like this. Look at these candles on a 50 minutes time frame, which is creating fair value gap, and every time followed by market. Every time we large big seller selling, create a fair value gap, market going into this and going back. This is fair value back, going to the fair value gap, going to the fair value gap and drop until this We break the structure for now. We might see some cool off pattern to this here, and we will see how it goes. So I closed some of my trade here, but we will see how it goes. I will monitor this coin for sure for this week. I hope this video assists your trading. Please like it if you believe bottom will establish this week. Protect your capital and stay safe.